Here is how you can remove location from an Instagram post. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can remove location from an Instagram post. So let's start. First of all, open Instagram and log into your account. Then after, in order to remove location from your Instagram post, go to your profile. Then select that specific post. As you can see, I have added a location in this post. Now if you want to remove the location, what you can do is tap on the three dots on the top right of this post. Then after, tap on edit. As you enter the edit section, you will find location below your user ID. Tap on the location. Now in order to remove it, don't select a particular location and simply tap on the cross mark. As you do that, the location that was previously displayed has been removed. Now simply tap on the tick mark on the right to save it. After you save it, the changes will be applied and the location will be removed from your Instagram post. So in this way, you can easily remove location from the Instagram post. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for further videos.